Front we show the Ainol mini PC. After we install the language, now we see our test. Okay, now we see the mini PC. First look out. It's the mini PC, 2 USB cable, power button, indicator. This is micro HDMI, mini HDMI, USB 3, micro SD card slot, a phone jack, DC jack. I will connect DC. Okay. The phone, the mini PC is reside here. Now let me see which set to language English. We see the PC information on device. Can see PC information. The Windows 8.1 with Bing is activated. And Bluetooth display. Focus screen. Now we see others. This is English language. You can see. But Chinese we just set to English language now. Install English language. Now we tell you how to install the language, your native language. Now you choose closed. Choose setting. Choose setting. Then choose time and language. Then we choose region and language. Then you can see this is English language and this is Chinese. We install the English language as default. And this is Chinese language. Now we add a language now. Add for example, add anyone, Italy. Now Italy, this is Italy language. Now we see options. Then we go to the control panel. This add the language. This is Italy. We choose option. Then there are Windows. Display language is here. Check the availability. Okay. Then we can download and install the language. Yes. Now we see the process. Oh, okay. This is the process. Install language. It takes about 3 or 5 minutes to finish install the language. So after install language, then you reboot it. The language will be native. Okay, then install it. Now we tell you how to reset the primary language now. Time and region and language. Now we choose Italy. Now we choose set as primary. Then after installed, okay, you mini PC will be in Italian language or your native language. Now we just set as the English now as default. Okay, close it. We see installing. Okay.